The McLaren 765 LT arrived as the British brand super sports car in 2020. It uses the already impressive 720S as a starting point, but the engineers overhaul the existing model to slice off weight and craft an even more nimble supercar. McLaren built just 765 examples of these new Longtail models, and delivery started in September of 2020. The 765 LT uses McLaren's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that makes 755 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque in this application. The power runs through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox with tweaks that make shifts 15% faster than a 720S. McLaren claims the 765 LT can hit 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds, 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds, and 124 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds. In addition to the extra power over a 720S, the 765 LT weighs 176 pounds less than the existing coupe. In its lightest form, the new Longtail has a dry weight of just 2,709 pounds. The savings come from components like advanced forms of carbon fiber, a titanium exhaust with 4 outlets coming out of the back, and thinner glass. The new Longtail rides on 10-spoke wheels with Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires. For improved handling, the 765 LT wears revised carbon fiber body components, including the front splitter bumper, side skirts, rear bumper diffuser, and active wing, which combine to increase the available downforce by 25%. At the front, the track is 6 mm wider, and the vehicle sits 5 mm lower. The engineers install updated springs with extra helper springs and install updated algorithms for the proactive chassis control system. There's also a quicker steering ratio. The 765 LT has carbon ceramic rotors and calipers from the Senna. As an option, a customer can specify the Senna's discs with a unique set of brake pads for the LT. Inside, a 765 LT occupant sees carbon fiber wherever he or she looks. The lightweight material makes up the seats, center tunnel, and even exposed parts of the floor. There is some Alcantara upholstery, also. As standard, the model lacks air conditioning and an audio system, but a customer can specify them as no-cost options. The lightweight seats from the Senna are also an option.